过 AI 技术看见肉眼无法觉察的肌肤问题，潜在斑点、毛孔与老化变化都能更全面的侦测与分析，让诊断与治疗决策有更明确的依据。日前举办的 AMWC Asia-TDAC 2026台湾皮肤科医学会春季学术讨论会，以 AI 为主题的学术演讲，分享 AI 科技应用于皮肤科的最新应用与趋势。特别邀请来自韩国 Mirabel Clinic Dr. Sangsu LEE 分享 AI 皮肤分析与 EVE MUSE 的临床应用经验，由美尚美皮肤科诊所庄盈燕院长担任座长。
In Korea, this AI-based 3D skin analyzer is still new to Korea also. So not many clinics have this kind of system. But they are very interested about this device. And because not only they just take a picture, they also make a report. Like they could measure the pigments or any angles. So they could give some information not only to the doctors, but also to the patient. So it is very good to communicate with the patient and the doctor. Not just only Korea, all worldwide. They are all interested about the AI device. So I hope it's going to grow more bigger and bigger, and the interest is going more bigger, and they're going to buy this device in all clinics. Well, the specific trend will be because they could make a report. It is very helpful to communicate with the patient and the doctors, and also it could be very helpful for the research or making publications like articles. So this device is not just giving a subjective impression, it's also giving objective evidence. The trend, well, many of the doctors is very interested, so I think it's going to go more bigger and bigger. Normal skin analyzer, they only just take pictures. So the clinicians, they have to decide which becomes better and which becomes worse. But this AI-based skin analyzer, they could make a score, or they could interpret as like a color or anything that have been changed after the procedure. So the advantage of using this is they could analyze this and make a report and give certain information to the doctors and patients very easily. When we use like a filler injection to increase the volume, or when you have like a surgery, you can see a very different changes. But if you use like a biostimulators, or you use like a energy-based lifting devices, there will be only small changes. So, and also those changes becomes good, better and better with the time. So it needs like at least 1, 2 or 3 weeks after they get better. So normally the patient doesn't realize the change, but with using this device, they make a score and they let the patient know that they have a good result and how the skin has been changed. So it's very helpful to communicate with the patient. The most impression data was the making a number of the skin age. So when the patient comes to my clinic and they take a picture, and although the patient is like a 35 years old, when the skin analyzer says your skin age is like a 37, the patient becomes shocked and they want a treatment. And I show the data and what procedures should be done to the patient, and the patient accepts those treatments easily. Those are very helpful. With the previous skin analyzer, I have to explain how this pigment have been improved, or the angle of the nose or the jawline. But with this AI-based skin analyzer, they have numbers. So it's very easy to tell to the patient, and patient accepts very easily. So it's very easy to communicate with the patient. Because this is AI-based devices and they have a lot of data, this kind of data is very helpful to make a very standardized clinical guidelines. So if you have more data, it will be more helpful to make a certain guidelines. And this device, I think, is very has a very much data, and it's one of the advantages of this device than others AI-based skin analyzer. I think it's going to helpful not just for the clinic treatment. I think it's going to helpful for the a normal daily life. So when they went to a holiday, the patient become more darker, and they might know the changes with the cellular phone. So they know how to visit the clinic. When they have to visit the clinic, they will know about that.
Okay.
When there's an expert clinician, they will know what to do,
okay.
Even though they don't need a skin analyzer. But when there's some not experienced doctors, then this kind of devices will help to decide what kind of treatment will be done.
随着 AI 技术成熟 ，EVE MUSE 等 AI 设备也越来越常见于医美临床。透过数据分析与长期追踪，不只让疗程规划更精准，也让医病沟通更清楚。AI 的加入正让医美从过去的经验判断，逐渐走向更客观的数据决策。